Hello there, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check in the application of Bank of America. So welcome again. So since I'm still waiting for my account to be approved on the end of Bank of America, I still don't have access to the website itself of the application. However, I have some visual aids for you to go through here. Let me just pull them up right here, okay? The first thing you want to do is of course log into the account. Once you logged in, you're going to see this landing page. I want you to click on this option right here that says deposit checks. After that one, you'll arrive on Deposit Checks landing page. I want you to click on Get Started. After clicking Get Started, it will arrive you on here, the terms and conditions. Simply click on Accept, and then I agree for the terms and conditions. After clicking I agree right here, you'll arrive on this landing page, where you need to take a photo of the front of the check and back of the check. Of course, you need to select an account to deposit the check to, for example, your savings account. Put it right here. And of course the amount of the check, even though on the front of the check there is an amount for handwritten amount, the Bank of America application will ask the exact amount right here. Click on continue and then it will ask you to confirm everything. After you're good on this details right here, click on make a deposit and you're good to go. You've just deposited a check in the Bank of America. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one, okay? Goodbye for now.